Hello all, welcome back to the GVRD Automation channel. Right, we are continuing CTS interview questions and answers. In previous session, right, I have explained you what are the questions, right, for Appium and Java we have seen. Right, we will see what are the programming questions. Right, the theoretical questions we have seen. There are Java programming interview questions we have. Right, there are three questions we have. Apart from these questions, right, programming questions are write a program to check if number is palindrome or not. Right, write a number to check if a number is a palindrome or not. That is one question. And then one more is write a program to find second largest element in the array. Second largest array, right, in the array. Right, one more is write a Java program to count the frequency of characters. Right, this is a regular question in interview we are getting. Right, a Java program to count the frequency of a characters in a string. Right, there are multiple ways to do these things. But what is the best way to do? We will see. Right, okay. I have noted down. Right, in the Eclipse. We'll see one by one. Palindrome. Palindrome means what? Right, if number is there, if we reverse the number, we will get the same number. If you refer 1 to 1, if you reverse order 1 to 1 only, right, same way, right, if it is reverse also same number is coming means that is palindrome. But right, in interviews we can do easily, but real time programming we can do easily. We can convert to string into to string and reverse it, compare, simple thing, 2 lines of code only. But in interview, right, they will not accept that. They want a program without converting this to string. They want to write the program to check palindrome or not. Right, how to do it? Right, for this, right, first we need to store the whatever number we, right, they have given. We have to store it in a original. I have taken one thing, original variable. Right, one more is to store the reverse variable. To store the reversed variable, I have taken one more int. Right, now here the simple logic one. While number not equal to 0, right, until we will loop it number not equal to 0 until it becomes 0. It is a 1 to 1, right, until it not becomes 0. If it becomes 0, we will come out of it. Right, while number not equal to 0, then what we will do? First of all, what we have to do? First we need to get the last number. Right, we have to store it. Then again, what we have to do? Next number, from the back side, from the last, we have to get the number one by one again. Right, I have to form like 1 2 1. Right, then I have to compare with original number. Right, reverse number I have to compare. First, how to get, if I want to get a last number, how I will get? Right, if I do, right, number percentile 10, what it will give? It will divide and it will give the last digit of it. Right, we will get a last digit as what? 1. Right, first iteration we will get 1. Reverse number, what is 0? 0 into 10, 0 into 10, 0. Digit, what is the last number? 1. Right, we got 1. Then divide the number 1 to 1 divided by 10. What we will get? Output equal to 1 2. Now number becomes 1 2. Again, now number is 1 2. It is not equal to 0. It will go again. Right, now again percentile 10, 12 percentile 10. Right, 12%. Again we will get the last digit. What is last digit? 2. Right, 2. Then previously reverse number is what? Now it is reverse number. Previously reverse number is what? 1. 1 into 10, 10. Right, 1 into 10, 10 plus. Now what is the last digit we got? 2. Then it equal to 12. Right, now again number is what? Now number is what? 12. 12 divided by 10 equal to 1. Right, while number is not equal to 0, right? 1. Again what we will do? Number percentile 10. 1 percentile 10. What it will give? It we will get 1. Then previously reverse number 1 2. 1 2 into 10. 120 plus 1. 121. Right, now divided by 1 divided by 10. 0. Right, it will 0. It will come out of it. Now original equal to reverse. Is 1 to 1 equal to 1 to 1? Yes. If it is palindrome, it will return. We will be printing it is a palindrome. Otherwise, suppose if I execute it, right, 1 to 1 is a palindrome. Right, simple three logic. Lot of questions, right? Right, we will use this one. Lot of questions, right? This is the palindrome. Right, if we want to reverse the number, right? Reverse or palindrome. Palindrome is different, reverse, but we will use it this logic only to reverse or palindrome. Right, I want to write a square each number. I want to sum the digits of it. I want to sum the digits of it. I want to square and sum. Right, there are a lot of questions we will get. This simple logic we have to remember. First we have to number percentile 10, then we will get one by one number from last number onwards. Then we will then reverse into 10. Right, then reversed into 10. We will do reverse into 10 plus digit. Right, we have to do reverse into 10 plus digit. Then number divided by 10. That means we are removing last one by one from last digit. We are removing, again doing. Right, simple thing. This is the palindrome. Now character frequency. This is one more important question. Frequently in every interview we are getting. Frequency of the character. What is frequency of the character? I want to count each character how many times occurs. Right. Sometimes what they will ask, I want to print first non-repeating character. Right. Same logic we can use. First non-repeating character. Right. Like that. Otherwise first repeating character. First repeating character. Or I want to print only non-repeating characters. I want to print only repeating characters. Right? Any question we can get the same logic. For that, what we have to write? Write simple method. We can pass the string. Convert to, we have taken a hash map. Key is the character. One by one character we will take integer. How many times it occur? Integer. Character integer. Suppose here programming. P how many times occur? 1. R how many times occurs? 2. 0, right, 1 time, G 2 times, R 2 times, A 1 time, M 2 times. Like that, first we will store in the map. How to store? Simple logic. str.toChar. We are converting string to character array. Right, we are using for each loop toChar array character. Each character we are getting from the string array. We are getting from the string we are converted to string array, character array. From the character array to one by one character we are storing in the map. How to store? Put method. We are storing key. What is the key? We will get one by one character. First P will come, right? Then frequency map dot getter default. What it will do? This is the important thing. Multiple people will write a lot of logic. They will get right. Then again they will use if condition. They will increment it. Right? Not required. Map dot getter default. What it will do? If character, suppose if P first time, what it will do? Empty map, right? P will come. First thing P will come. P will come. Then there is no P, right? Right, map dot getter default P. There is no P. What it will return? 0. It is not available. It will return 0. Default value is 0. Then 0 plus 1, 1. Then what it will do? P becomes p equal to 1. Right, here it will store key as a p, integer as 1. Next character r, frequency map dot again get r default, p is there, r is there, second character no, it will store r as 1, 0 no, 0 as 1, g no, g as 1. Now come to r, get r default of r already is there, right? R, then what it will return? 1, then 1 plus 1 it will become 2, right? That is the logic here. Get our default, this will make our life easy. If it is there, it will return the existing count, we are incrementing by 1. If it is not there, we are getting 0 plus 1, 1. Simple thing. We no need to write a if or else block. Let just return the this map and print the map. Right, it will print what it will print if we run it. Right, see, p one time, a one time, r two times. Right, it will print like this. Now I want a first non-repeating character. First non-repeating character. Right, for that, if you store, suppose in the hash map, what will happen? Hash map behavior is what? Hash map will not preserve the order. Right, then we cannot find, it's difficult to find first non-repeating character. It is order will change, right? So we have to use which map will store the order? Linked hash map. It is also a interview question, right? Which map will store as a order? Linked hash map, right? Linked hash map. I have to return linked hash map, right? Linked hash map. It will store the whatever order we will iterate, same order it will. See, now it is getting p, then r, then o, right? Whatever order is same order. Then first non-repeating character means whenever p equal to 1, we will print that one only. Whenever p equal to 1, we will return that one. If you want only non-repeating character, we will print if integer is, if integer is 1, then we will print the character. If they want only repeated characters, then if it is greater than 0, then we will print, right? We can write the same logic for multiple. First we have to store in the map, then we can easily anything we can do it, right? Remember this. And one more important question, second largest number. Second largest number. Simple thing is, in real time, in the if you want real time coding means we will not write this much of code. Right, we have a arrays.sort method. Right, arrays.sort, it will sort easily. Right, second largest we will get if it is in a ascending means we will get from the get length minus 1. Right, last but not 1, we will get easily one line of code. But in real time they will not accept, they want us to check our skills, right? How logically we will think, right? Right, we have to write a simple logic to find out the second largest number. For that, what we have to write? Simple, right? One method integer array, one method integer array. First we will store as a integer dot min value. That means what is the, if we use what, it will return least value, right? Minimum value it will return. We can also store 0 also, right? 0 also, but if they will give negative numbers, right, it will fail the logic. If we use, we can also store, but if they will give negative numbers, it will fail the logic. So just integer dot min value, we will take two integer variables, one is largest, one is second largest. One is largest, one is second largest. Or sometimes we can also write a sort, right? Bubble sort we can write and get the last but one, right? If you immediately we will strike, right, no one will get everyone get the same logic, right? We can get some logic, we can throw it, right? Okay, I can do it. If they believe it, that's fine, right? We can also do multiple things, whatever you know you can tell us. We can also explain, there are multiple ways. Currently I am getting this thing, right? We can also do maybe by best way, but this is the currently I am getting. we can satisfy the interview. But it's better to practice, right? If you practice these things, you will get you can give best coding. Right, here we are taking two variables, largest, second largest. Then, what is the logic? Simple logic. We will iterate the array for each loop. By using for each loop, we will iterate one by one number. Suppose if number is greater than largest, right? What is the first number? 12, right? 12 is greater than, here min value is currently you consider 0, maybe min value. Number is greater than 12 is greater than 0, yes, right? Then what we will do? We will store this existing largest value in the second largest, existing largest value in the second largest, and current value in the largest, current value in the largest, right? Existing largest value we will store in the, right? Already you have a largest, now we got one more largest, right? Then what we will do? Existing largest we will store in the second largest, then current number will become the largest if number is greater than largest. Suppose if second condition, if number is not largest but number is greater than second largest, number is greater than second largest, right? And number not equal to largest, right? That number is not equal to largest but greater than largest. Then what we will get? We will store number as a second largest. There are two conditions is there simply. Right, once this loop is completed, we will get the second largest. Right, first if it is a greater than largest, then largest we will store in the second largest, number is in the largest. Else if number is greater than second largest, if number is greater than second largest and number not equal to largest, then we will store that number as second largest. Right, fine. Then we will return this second largest. We will print it. Suppose here what is the second largest? Right, 34. Right, 34. Second largest is 34. Right. These are the some of the interview questions asked in the CTS. This one is little typical. We have to practice it. Right. We have to understand the logic. We have to give the best solution. Right. Thanks for watching. If you like my way of teaching and the content presentation, just subscribe to the channel and share it to your friends. Comment it out if you need any extra details or suggestions. Please comment. I will take it. Right. Thanks for watching.